This is a simple definition to make a lamp. Where would you like to place the lamp? Draw a single dot, right-click, and select the dot. There you see the lamp. If you move the dot, the lamp will follow. Let me delete the point. Now let us draw few points. Right-click. This time, select multiple points. Bingo. Undo. Let me draw one more time. One single point. Select the point. And let's go over few parts. This is the radius of the base, the thickness of the base, the main pipe. You can increase it or decrease it. The radius of the pipe. How many edges, how many faces do you want on your lamp? From 3 to 8. You can increase and decrease. You can fillet the edges or leave them at 0. Change the radius of the bottom and change the radius of the top. You can go back to the origin by restoring the original lamp. Right-click and bake the base and the tube. Right-click and bake the lamp. There you see, we have a brand new simple lamp.